Just a quick, real short update on the 50-year-old Marlin barrel to the gunsmith today to have it reblued. And since then I have taken some 150 grain grit sandpaper to the finish to get rid of a lot of old scratches and to get rid of the oil that has built up over the years of use. So this is in the beginning stages of refinishing. Also, the butt plate, which says Marlin, is a two-piece deal. It comes with the black piece and then a white piece that goes in between the wood and the black butt plate. As you can see, this white piece, I don't know if you can see it or not, it's kind of dirty. It's got junk on it. It looks very aged and used. And what I have discovered is that if you take a little bit of sandpaper to that, first of all, here's the before. Can you see how dirty that is? Just lightly. Oh, you can't see, I'm out of the picture. Just real lightly go over that. And you can restore it to its previous beautiful white. See the difference between that and that? So that's what I'm working on. I'm going to get that cleaned up and ready to go, and I'll have some more for you as we go along. Stay safe.